Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect buttercream frosting. Perfect here I mean is smooth in texture and stable enough to pipe your favorite designs over your cakes and cookies. Now it's the Christmas season and so we are going to make a beautiful Christmas tree with the buttercream frosting. Now come, let's get started. Now take 100 grams of salted butter. Remove the butter from the refrigerator and let it sit on the countertop for a while. The butter should be soft to create an impression, but when pressed with your fingers, it should hold its shape too. Now take a mixing bowl and add the butter and whisk at a high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the butter would turn pale after some time. Now to this add vanilla essence 1 by 8 teaspoon and whisk it again well. Scrape off the cream from the sides of the bowl to ensure that the entire butter is getting beaten. Now to this add 200 grams of icing sugar. Never replace it with granulated sugar or powdered sugar. Whisk it well. Icing sugar contains corn flour and hence the frosting should be thick enough to be stable also. And add the icing sugar in 2 batches. And see that it is sifted well so that the air gets incorporated well and you get a fluffy and smooth buttercream. Now it's done. You can see the buttercream frosting is ready. You can also see that it doesn't fall off the whisk attachment. It is stable, smooth and ready to be frosted. I have covered the top of the cupcake with some frosting. Now embed a strawberry into it and press gently. Start piping around the strawberry with a star nozzle. I have mixed edible green gel color with the buttercream. Now a frosted Christmas tree is ready. Decorate it with some edible sugar balls and sprinkles. Dust it with some icing sugar to create the snow effect. Now enjoy a beautiful Christmas tree cupcake. Friends, please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video with lots of love. Sana Khuram and Merry Christmas to you all.